Hi there, and welcome back to the channel, your trusted space for real, reliable health advice for wiser, stronger living after 60. Today, we're diving into a topic that quietly affects nearly every part of your body, your gut health. As we age, two things happen. Digestive enzymes decrease and good bacteria decline. This imbalance can silently lead to inflammation, poor nutrient absorption, and yes, those nagging joint aches or that daily fatigue. Let's talk about the foods that often sneak into our daily diets. 1. White bread and refined grains. These spike your blood sugar and feed the bad gut bacteria. 2. Processed meats, full of preservatives that cause inflammation. 3. Artificial sweeteners. They confuse gut bacteria and trigger bloating. 4. Too much dairy. Lactose intolerance increases with age, causing cramps and stiffness. 5. Vegetable oils. Too many omega-6 fats lead to inflammation. Now don't worry. You don't have to give up all your favorite foods forever. Just being aware of how your gut responds is the first big step. So, what should we be eating instead to feel lighter, more energized, and move with ease? In Part 2, we'll explore the best natural foods to heal your gut, protect your joints, and bring back that steady energy you deserve. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and when you're ready, type "continue" to hear what foods to eat instead. Welcome back. In Part 1, we uncovered how certain foods silently disrupt digestion, joints, and energy, especially after 60. But now, let's turn the spotlight on healing, because your body is incredibly resilient, and with the right foods, you can start feeling the difference in just a few weeks. Plain Greek yogurt with live cultures is rich in probiotics, the good bacteria your gut loves. They help restore balance, reduce bloating, and even support joint health. Oats are gentle, fiber-rich, and support healthy digestion. They feed your good bacteria and keep you regular. Just be sure to avoid sugary packets. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are full of prebiotic fibers that reduce gut and joint inflammation naturally. Fatty fish like salmon and sardines are rich in omega-3s, a powerful anti-inflammatory for your joints and your gut. Bone broth is a traditional remedy packed with collagen and amino acids. It helps repair the gut lining and soothe joint pain. Try sipping it warm a few times a week. Berries, especially blueberries, are rich in antioxidants. They reduce inflammation and feed your good gut bacteria. A sweet treat, minus the guilt. Food is powerful, but there are also simple habits you can start today that support digestion and help you feel your best. 1. Stay hydrated. 6 to 8 cups a day keeps digestion smooth. 2. Chew slowly and eat mindfully. Helps reduce bloating and gas. 3. Gentle movement after meals. Walk for 10 to 15 minutes to improve flexibility. 4. Keep a food journal. Track what you eat and how you feel. You don't have to accept fatigue and joint pain as normal aging. By gently supporting your gut, you're unlocking one of the most powerful tools for lifelong energy and comfort. In the next part, we'll explore safe, science-backed supplements that may help your digestion, joints, and daily energy without overwhelming your system. Thanks for being here with me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to keep learning together.